Number 5. Vivo Z1 Pro. Eyeing the popularity of PUBG Mobile game and youth who are essentially budget buyers, Vivo launched the Z1 Pro. The Snapdragon 712-based phone is one of the best gaming device launched under RS20K. The Adreno 616 GPU ensures that games run smooth, even when played on higher game settings, and there are 5000 mAh battery to further assist the cause. The phone houses a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD screen that comes with 19:9 aspect ratio. Gaming enthusiasts can take advantage of new gaming mode and 4D vibration motor that will enhance your gameplay experience. Number 4. Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro employs the MediaTek Helio G90 tons chipset, which is an SoC designed for gaming and one that could mark MediaTek's grand comeback in the segment. The Redmi Note 8 Pro can support PUBG at ultra-high graphics and is a competent alternative to Snapdragon 730G. Other perks include HDR display, 4500 mAh battery, and capable set of quad cameras.
Flip, flip, got Gucci lipstick. I never had a bitch that hang out with the rich kids. She about her business, I'm doing big shit. I never thought that I'd be fucking with a rich bitch. I go down on her body in the morning, hit it from the back, I'm doing 50 in the foreign. Bust down and Fendi designer dripping, no Ralph Lauren. You was my shawty, but now I'm playing, I'm ignoring. Like fuck you thinking, I'ma pull up for the weekend. With my gang, we be geeking. Girl, you so conceited, we gon' fuck till we see.
Number 3. Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Gaming enthusiasts with limited pocket size will find the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max to be a decent option. Xiaomi's latest Redmi Note rocks a Snapdragon 720G chipset which delivers staggering benchmark numbers for a budget device. The Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with a 6.67-inch LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution. Xiaomi offers the Note 9 Pro with up to 6GB RAM and up to 128GB storage. The 5020 mAh battery provides the necessary juice to power up the device. Xiaomi ships the phone with a 33W fast charger.
I never had a bitch that hang out with the rich kids. She about her business, I'm doing big shit. I never thought that I'd be fucking with a rich bitch. Flip, flip, got Gucci lipstick. I never had a bitch that hang out with the rich kids. She about her business, I'm doing big shit. I never thought that I'd be fucking with a rich bitch. I'm a baller, no limit, designer.
Number 2. Poco X2. Well, the Poco is back with the new Poco X2. It is basically a rebranded version of Redmi K30 which was launched in China some time back. The Poco X2 spec sheet does make an impressive read. Poco X2 biggest highlight its 120Hz higher refresh screen. It an IPS screen which not as vivid as most AMOLED screens but is smooth and HDR10 compliant. The phone is backed by Snapdragon 730G. 4500 mAh battery and runs on MIUI 11. Number 1. Realme X2. Realme X2 offers the mighty Snapdragon 730G octa-core chipset at a very competitive price. Realme is not skimping on memory quality either. The X2 comes in 3 different LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.1 storage configurations and has an elaborate gaming mode. Talking of the software, the new and improved, and lighter, customized Color OS 7.0 is on its way. The Realme X2 also benefits from 30W VOOC fast charging and an AMOLED display with a fast and reliable fingerprint sensor placed underneath. So, overall, a very exciting phone for gaming enthusiasts.
With a rich bitch. Flip, flip, got Gucci lipstick. I never had a bitch that hang out with the rich kids. She about her business, I'm doing big shit. I never thought that I'd be fucking with a rich bitch. I never thought that I'd be fucking with a rich bitch. Yeah, I never thought that I'd be fucking with a rich bitch.